In a document on the U.S. Food and Drug Administration website from the U.S. Center for Disease Control, or CDC, all the way down on page 42, we find this shocking statement, literally admitting that when designing their PCR test to detect COVID-19, that no virus isolates of COVID-19 were available at the time the test was developed to even know what genetic sequence to test for. So they used computer database stocks of other already known RNA substances that are not COVID-19 and mixed that into a soup broth containing other genetic material from human A549 cells, which are alveolar lung cells with cancer or rotting, dying cells, and then mix that with a viral transport medium, or VTM, which is literally a soup broth made of the genetic material of veal, bovine, and cell-killing antibiotics and antifungals like gentamicin and amphotericin to mimic genetic material found in the sputum of sick people with suspected COVID-19. If you are designing a test to detect an alleged bat coronavirus, why in the hell is it made out of human lung cancer cells and sick cow cells that are poisoned by antibiotics? This fraud is literally tantamount to you trying to prove that a new exotic cheese exists by testing chocolate milk to see if it has dairy in it, since cheese does too, and then claiming that chocolate milk is actually an exotic new cheese. That's virology. In fact, Freedom of Information Act requests for proof of the COVID-19 isolated virus have been sent by researchers, doctors, and lawyers to over 19 health authorities in Canada alone, as well as multiple health authority departments in the United States, New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, England, Scotland, Wales, Ireland, Denmark, Spain, the European Center for Disease Control, the Netherlands, Slovenia, and half a dozen more, asking not only for their own studies, but any studies or information, and not one single agency has responded that any such thing as an isolated COVID-19 virus exists or has ever existed.